Hey guys, good morning, welcome to the live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our account's spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HEMC Greece, compliant with ESMA, EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session with Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Current time is 7:35 time, all right, Eastern Standard. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. All right, we are in crazy times, guys. Crazy times. Yesterday, the market completely sold off. All right, and it didn't look back. There was no pullbacks. There was absolutely nothing. That was momentum from the higher time frames taking control, and we saw on the lower time frames the heavy impact that higher time frame comes into play. All right, so guys, with that being said, make sure to check the description box. Not a buy or sell channel here. We're not financial advisors, so any trades taken upon yourself. Try not to risk more than 1%. My main focus for today, all right, is going to be 9:30 and 10 a.m. We'll watch and see possible entries before then, but you can see right on the chart. Okay, sorry, right on the screen here, we have 8:15 news, and then we have USD, another speaking event, a testifying, and then we have jolts. Guys, today is going to be crazy, all right? If you guys understand what the market has in store for us, hopefully you do, and you'll understand why I'm saying to not risk quite a bit and just watch price in terms of how it comes, all right? So, guys, our recommended brokers, if you saw probably the intro, AAAFX and HankoTrade, okay? Our recommended liquidity platform is Bookmap. That might be changing soon, okay? We've been approached by another very interesting liquidity provider who wants to make us our own platform, so we might be doing something like that very soon. No guarantees, but if it makes sense for us and our team, then we'll do it. All right. Also, guys, our recommended, I guess you could say, prop firm would be my Forex funds. Okay, Stocksnipertrading will give you 5% off. All right. So, guys, right here, 8:15 is going to be our first target. Okay, non-farm employment change. All right. This could be a dud, or this could be, a way to quickly get a pullback in the market before we have our overall bigger move coming at 9:30 and then at 10 a.m. All right, so let me pull up the charts here. Let me pull up the chats. and we're good to go. Okay, guys, yesterday, okay, I held my buy in 200 pip drawdown. Okay, that's a $200 drawdown loss that I was taking. When we saw the pullback sell on gold, I'll show you where I got it. I ended up going for a standard, making 20 pips, got out at roughly break even, and that was the rest for the day. Didn't want to deal with this anymore, and haven't taken anything until now. Okay, so you can see what's going on with the DXY. All right. If you don't see the volume and momentum, this is on the higher time frame. Let's look at the daily here. We're going to take some time today and watch everything coming in, guys. All right. Today's not those days where you want to. One sec here. Go heavy. Okay. You can see where we're currently at on the dollar. All right. So for me, this is on the daily. I see some support here, and now we're starting to gain some support here. All right, so a little bit of potential pattern like this on the higher time frame. If we break, guys, we're flying high to 108. We're already right near 106. 106 was the previous level resistance area right in here. Okay, and this is kind of where we're looking at right now. All right, so let's remove everything here. This is just on the daily. Wanted to give you guys a little bit of top down on this and show you where we're currently trading at. This was yesterday, guys. Look at this volume. Mr. Powell wants to save the dollar. Okay, and let me ask you guys this, okay, are we in a recession? Judging by the technical term, do you guys think that the US is in a recession? Do you guys think that they're not? What are your guys' thoughts? I'd like to hear from you. All right, so right away I can see a nice rejection coming in at roughly 105,900. All right, I'm going to use the daily support at the bottom of the current candle, okay, roughly 105.70, 105.625. All right, and remember, this is just pure bias, right? Everybody has their own way of doing a top down. Some people don't even like doing top downs. They say it's full of shit, it doesn't work. That's okay. If you guys want to do your way, do your way. All right, if you guys like seeing a bird's eye view of the market, then take some time and learn how to do your top downs. Okay, so you can see here. All right, we have both bullish is roughly neon, and then bearish is red. So let's mark up our daily support and resistance here. Okay, so I have some daily resistance coming in at 105.9, and then I have some daily support just below. All right, and we're going to just take a look at the 4-hour here. All right, pretty straightforward. Okay. And you can see what's starting to form here. There's a lot of volume coming in. I'm going to use this current candle right here, the doji at roughly 105.77. All right, so let's mark that as our 4-hour resistance. Okay, coming down to our daily here again. Let's look at the hourly. And you can see what we're starting to form. Okay, a little bit of wick volume here. I'm not looking for really much hourly support. Okay, we have the daily, and we'll use a little bit of a lower time frame just below. Okay, so I have some 1-hour resistance, and we'll take a look what's looking like on the 15-minute here. Okay, so I'll just get that a little bit over. So look at the indecision of the dollar now. Okay, I see one top wick here that made a high. All right, remember we have been talking about higher highs and higher lows since yesterday. Remember we told you dip buys here in terms of DXY getting to almost 106. We almost tapped it. All right, we weren't slowing down, but now we're coming to a pretty key level here on the dollar. Okay, so if we break down here, the max I think we could get to maybe is 105.5. All right, depending on what Powell says and what this news comes in. All right, all technicals are probably going to go out the window today. All right, so we're going to be in for a little bit of a treat. Coming in very soon in about, I would say, 35 minutes at 8:15. All right, so what I'm looking at doing is if we break down here, guys, 105.5. Okay, I'm going to use that as some support. to see how this is going to start to close on the 15. Okay, so this should mean that gold is probably having a short-term pullback here. Okay, and we'll use our consolidation zone right in here. Just drop all this. Okay, use gray zone. All right, so add some targets for our add some alarms just below. All right, guys. So remember, NFP is Friday. All right. If you want us to stream live on YouTube for you guys, this guys on YouTube, let's smash 300 likes right off the bat. Our goal is 500 per stream. All right. So yesterday we only got like 470. It was a shitty session. I understand why. But if we can get 530 today, then we're on par. If not, guys, like I said, we'll just head over back in our Zoom. So let's try to pump these likes up. All right. And, you know, just focus on what we have coming into that 8:30 time. All right. So let's drop down to our 5 minute. Okay. We have our alarm set on hires. Okay. Some daily and then 1055. So let's add an alarm a little bit below here too. All right. Remember something, okay? Look at the 4-hour trend on the dollar, okay? Look at this. We bottomed out 101. All right, that was coming in at February. Ever since then, guys, we have been bullish. A lot of support at 104.5, 104. Okay, so remember this, the dollar is the key to everything here. For everyone just wanting gold, all right, that's all I see on YouTube right now is gold, gold, gold. We will get to gold, guys. You need to learn and watch what's going on with the dollar before you do anything, okay? So I want to watch this 28-second close. And then we'll head over and look at gold. All right. All right. So you can see here, nice trend below. All right, so we got one there. You can see we have not broke that general area downtrend. Okay, so let's head over, guys. Let's take a look at gold here. We got our alarm set. Look at the big bounce on US 30. Okay, there's a big long wick coming down to roughly 32.77. Okay, and you can see what gold is doing right here, 1813. All right, so let's on the 5 minute. Let's go take a look at this on the daily and start doing our top down. Guys, okay, look at gold here. This was yesterday. Look at this. Okay, look at these two preceding bearish candlesticks. All right, now this was big for me yesterday. All right, I thought that they would have grabbed gold and pushed it just because of everything that's going on in the war. All right, you know, thought there maybe be some more safe haven push, but again, wrong. All right, it's sold, and now we're at a nice little liquidity pool. Okay, coming on the higher time frame on the daily. All right, we have a lot of indecision before we got a breakout. This general area is where we had our big bullish push, roughly around 1800. Okay, if this breaks, guys, I'm telling you, if gold breaks, we are coming back down to, I would say, at least 1750 eventually. Okay, today and Friday and the next, I would say 7 days, you are going to see everything come to fruition about what they're going to do with the market. Okay, this is the first quarter coming to an end. All right, this is when Corona happened before. All right, this is when the war started to kind of come into, the idea in the news. All right, so the next 10 days, all right, are going to be so crucial for the market, and you can see what they're showing right now. All right, now if you look at the weekly, look at the weekly on gold. Okay, look at this momentum here. I see way more red than I do green. I like this engulfing candlestick here, but again, look at how fast they almost engulfed it, pushing back down. All right, like I said, if this breaks 1750, has no problem being tapped. All right, so let's go back to the daily and start our top down. And guys, like I said, this is just based on technical. Man, they can do whatever they want, and it makes me look like an idiot. It makes anyone who wants to analyze it look like an idiot. They do whatever they want. Okay, they have this pre-planned. The higher ups. Okay, I don't want to get too involved in this. Illuminati's and stuff like that. I follow it. There is higher ups. Okay, that control what's going on here. All right, we as retail, right, just have to follow the big suits, the whales as you call them. All right, and right now they're trying to get cheap gold. Okay, they're trying to get cheap gold, in my opinion. All right, so let's see how cheap they're going to give us so we can start to buy gold. All right, I see some nice daily support. Okay, roughly around 108. Alexander, you can buy gold like ETFs. Right? Personally, I would just buy the asset. If I were you, I'd just go buy gold. Like, just go buy an ounce if you can. Okay, so we have some daily support here. Silver too, guys. I'm telling you right now, precious metals are going to be very, very key coming in. And like real, not digital. Okay, because you can see what they do with digital. Look at how manipulated the brokers get you, right? They can do the same thing when you hold a stock or like an electronic, version of gold. Just go buy the real thing, man. All right. So nice 1817.5 resistance. All right, and let's take a look at our 4-hour now. So you can see here nice support holding right near the daily. See some daily resistance just above. All right. 4-hour, we'll dive in just a little more. And again, we're doing all this work for nothing. I'm telling you guys right now, 8:15, it's going to blow by. 9 a.m., it's going to make this chart look bad, and then you have 10 a.m. news again. You're going to see the same kind of thing happen. All right. So we will have to update this no matter what. All right, so look at gold, nice resistance here. Okay, I'm going to use almost 1810 as my 4-hour. I'm going to use some hourly just above here. Yes, I am changing it. 1813 for hourly. Do I have any gold? Yes, I do. I have gold chains and silver chains. All right. I like holding, these chains. I've had them since I was younger. All right. A nice silver interlock chain. Same with gold. Okay, it's a nice safety deposit. But like I said, I don't have any like chunks or like flakes of gold. Right. just have some gold chains. All right, so you can see nice hourly resistance just above, guys. All right, I'm going to use the top wicks here. Okay, that's roughly 1816. So 1 hour resistance. All right, let's take a look at the 15 now. Not going to do too much. All right, this to me is going to be the level 1817. You can see we're still rising here. This is still in a heavy range. Okay, and we're still getting some nice volume here on the 15. I'm just going to leave this alone. We're going to go to the 5. All right, so you can see we're slowly starting to walk our way up here. All right, so if we do make a break, guys, I can see us maybe getting, I would say, to 1822, which is previous level key resistance here. So let's mark this up. That could be a target for our bullish momentum here. Okay, that would make new higher highs. We're still getting a lot of resistance coming in. Okay, coming in from these preceding wicks. You can see we're pretty much zone to zone right now. All right, so we'll watch and see what's coming in. A little bit of a sell here. Okay, so we'll watch and see 1816. Okay, so you guys can see right off the bat. I hope you guys, like yesterday, are realizing that we are just in range motion right now. Okay, short-term scalps can be good, but your spreads might be a little higher than normal. Okay, my gold is, 2 pips right now, 1.5, 2 pips in and out. US 30 is the best, and same with NASDAQ. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see if we can smash the 150 likes, guys, and if we do, all right, we will take a look at NASDAQ and gold. Guys, I don't have any levels for you right now. The ranging market is not producing anything for me at this current time. Okay, so we'll just relax and wait till they come to us. Okay. Okay, so we're ready to do our indices, guys. Let's just watch and see how gold is going to react on the hourly changeover. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the 15 right here coming in. Last 15-minute candle. Oh, guys, don't message me privately on Zoom. There we go. Let's see here. Okay, so look at our 15-minute candles. Okay, still downtrend. All right, getting a little bit of engulfing candlestick action here. All right. Just a few minutes. So you see gold made a nice little bounce out of demand here. All right, so guys, our first stop is 8:15. All right. All right. So let's see what we have coming in from this ADP outlook. Okay, so it's forecasted 197,000. All right, February 1st. You can see it was 106, like 70,000 less than projected forecast. Okay. All right, so white traders here. Job creation is important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for majority of overall economic activity. Okay, so ADP data processing. Okay, there's no related stories. All right, job creation. Okay, that's a key thing for us. Jobs, money spending, economic activity. Okay, so this honestly could be a bit of a dud. Okay, I don't think it's going to be, but I've seen this type of folder kind of have like little to no impact. They accumulate all of the action waiting for 9:30, and then obviously they save it for the big boys coming in at 10 a.m. right? And then guys, 1, you have bond action. Okay, so this is a big day. All right, this is a big day. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. We'll take a look at this hourly switch over in just under a minute. Okay, so here we go, just under 30 seconds. Okay, so here's the new hourly open up. This is now 8 a.m. So let's watch how this candle plays out. Let's go take a look at some of these indices here. Okay, so the Dow, nice little opportunity here on the 5. We're going to see how that's going to react. Starting to break volume. Okay, let's see if we get a retest. Let's watch this 4-minute and 20 candle. I think the Dow could probably get back up to, I would say, maybe 32,800. Sorry, 30,880, my bad guys, sorry. Roughly right up in here. So let's watch. We need to get past this volume right in here. Okay. And if you look to the left, guys, that's previous level resistance. So we do have some now. This will act as sell pressure coming in. Okay, so let's watch. So if we get that clean zone, guys, we get that clean break right up here, this is what we can look for. And if we close below, like I said, we're going to fill that wick. All right, and this is the wick I'm talking about right here. Okay, dollar just made an alert. We'll go check that out here. I'm going to try a small Dow buy here. I want to see how this is going to move. All right, not a large lot size. Okay, if it does go into drawdown, it's not something that's going to affect the account. Okay. So let's see here. If it gets rejected and pushes, then we know we're rolling in continued sells. All right, and remember, we have a lot of volume coming in at 8:15. Let's check out that dollar here. Okay, we can take a look at NASDAQ, starting to get some push too. Look at gold, big rejection. Okay. There goes the dollar. Okay, starting to really sink. Let's take a look at this on the higher time frame, guys. On the 15. Okay, so let's set an alarm just below here. You see all these big wicks? That's roughly 105.55. Okay. So we'll set some alarm in here. Spreads are huge, guys. Make sure to check your spreads. Okay. Please make sure to check your spreads. All right. I'm just getting a lot of messages asking what my spread is like. I'm kind of neutral right now, so it's not too bad for me. But again, like I said, if your spreads are fluctuating too much, stay away. Okay, stay away. The goal would be to look, all right, for higher time frame coming in at, I would say 9 and 10 a.m. Okay, that's going to be the main focus for, like I said, today. All right, so that's a nice volume push. Okay, so watch, see how it's going to rise here. Now watch the retest coming in. There it goes. Following suit. Remember, don't get greedy here, okay? If you guys are in, we have news coming up pretty soon. Okay, in about 10 minutes. If you guys got into that buy, look to secure, guys. You know, move your stop loss close to break even, or understand the risk that comes along with it. Right, you could get some short-term pullback. Did anyone grab the initial breakout? I know some of my Zoom guys probably did. There it goes. Okay, guys, I'm running 15 pips. Okay. Oh, woo! Daddy likes. I'm securing before this news coming in. Even if this thing does a rocket, guys. Ooh, pay me today, guys. Fuck yesterday, pay today. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Look at that big move, guys. Smash the likes if you guys got that. That's a nice, sexy buy from the near the bottom. I'm running 30 pips. I'm going to secure right off the bat. Done. Right off. The little sniper scanner now has a little buy and sell option, guys. Woof. You can bet your ass that's getting to be synced to our Discord very soon. All right, don't get greedy, guys. That's a that's a nice little kiss for us, considering yesterday was crazy. All right, so remember, secure, guys. Okay, just keep in mind this is a scalp. All right, look at the higher time frames. Okay, look at that higher time frame move. All right, quick moves, scalping at its finest. All right, so let's just erase now. Higher time frame, guys. Yeah, Tyler, it's flagged. Absolutely. So we'll watch and see. This is going to be our first 10-minute candle. Okay, if we do break, guys, and continue, like I said, we're coming, I would say, to 32,900. Okay, candles opening, closing below previous level sell structure here. All right, nice break. And you can see what's starting to happen. Okay, let's watch NASDAQ here, big move. Look at gold pushing right back down. Okay. Thomas, no. No waiting for retest. We bought. I did. We broke through, held above, volume was still strong. Sometimes I need to get you guys away from that. Seems like you guys are missing too many entries. There's a lot of timid FOMO, FOGI type situations here. Okay, so see what's coming in, right back down. All right, look at the dollar making a nice little bounce. All right, guys, so first news coming in. All right, Dow's heavy resistance here, big rejection. Okay, dollar pumped, Dow dumped. Okay, you can see Nasdaq sold off as well. Let's see what I got going on here. All right, guys, so that's a key selling level on Nasdaq. Okay, so let's mark that up here. $12,200. Okay, 12,200. Dow just took a huge dump. Okay, let's see it. Right back down. Okay, so this is why scalping, guys, do not look to hold. Rob, hopefully they understand. Quick, impulsive moves. All right. Especially when you're running 30 pips. If you're not happy with 30 pips, guys, I don't know why you're trading, personally. Most people have a hard time making 5-10 pips. And that's proven. Because I see it all over YouTube. Alright, so guys, we'll take a look at gold here. Alright. Nasdaq still sold off. Okay, it's still holding. And the dollar, let's see here, it's starting to get a little bit of rejection. Okay, so remember, 105.55 is the TP if we break this structure on the dollar. Okay, so let's watch and see gold. In and out, easy money. In and out protects you guys. Pip and dip, secure the bag. You guys have heard this. In good words of Jay Wayne, pips pay my bills. And if you ain't making pips, you ain't paying your bills. What about Euro USD? We don't do EU here, guys. But if you want to do EU, I'm sure there's plenty of other really good streamers who will help you out with EU. Okay, guys, we have literally 20 seconds left. Let's watch and see this first news come out. 8:15. I'm watching on the 15-minute time frame, okay? Four seconds. Okay, so nice impulsive drop, testing our 1 hour. Gold probably coming back down to our 4 hour here. Nasdaq still holding. There goes gold. GU dumping. Okay. Look at the Dow. Okay, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. In and out. This is why I secured. Okay, so let's take a look. News, guys. Thank you guys for updating here. Just move that over. Okay, you guys can see what's happened. And let's go take a look at this. Alrighty, let's spin her up. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Positive. Okay. It's ironic, isn't it, guys? It's ironic. Let's go take a look at that dollar. Oh, shit. Remember we talked about making higher lows and higher highs? They're not going to let this dollar sell off, guys. Mr. Powell, he wants to bleed the market. He wants to take from everyone. And big sell-offs, guys. Beautiful continuations. Okay. Look at gold just starting to. I'm a little Little hesitant right now on gold. Okay, so I'm going to watch that first 5-minute candle come in. So down sell is rejection. Yes, Mo. Very similar to what you just said for sure. So look at this, guys, still continuing. We're going to 106 today, guys, on the dollar. I can almost guarantee it. So this right here is going to be key now for right. So let's see if we can drop below here, guys. The target would be the 4-hour. Okay, 1809. We're still in a pretty liquid zone right now. Okay, you can see engulfing candlestick started to form here. Price started to pick up wicks. Still a lot of sell volume following through. All right, and remember, if we break down, we're coming back down to our 4-hour here. And there's about a minute and 20 left. Well, absolutely. Totally agree there. All right. So just under 40 seconds, guys. Let's see how this new candle starts to open here. Let's take a look at everything else. We have GU getting, yeah, there we go. Look at oil here, guys. Okay, oil's just a mess. But it's been got the sell signal here coming in. And if we break down, continuing on oil, guys, we can come back down to 76.5. Okay, and then maybe 76. Okay, so let's see, we're just below that 50 line on the RSI. You can see the dotted line's already kind of printed there. Okay, let's take a look at the moving averages. Okay, so we're low here. You can see nice resistance coming at the 200 EMA. Ooh, guys, we're getting liquidity pumping in here. Ooh, guys, you can see that's a liquid zone. Oh, guys, liquidity is pumping in. Here we go. Team 14.5 right at that 9 EMA. Let's just put down 1814.5, guys. You can see what they're doing. Nice rejection from that level right there. Okay, you can see the previous resistance is now at, well, sorry, previous support, now resistance. Our next leg up, guys, if we break through on gold, if we go bullish, okay, if, big if, okay, we'll break the 200 EMA, make a higher high, probably coming maybe back to 1820. All right, remember near that daily here, we have nice 1820, 1822 level. Okay, so let's go to the dollar, take a look how this is reacting. Look at NASDAQ and Dow here, still trying to hold. Ooh, guys, look at that rejection. Ooh. Right near that 200 EMA too. It would be pretty awesome to see us come back down to that 200 EMA. All right, we'll see if they're going to reject and try to have a nice little impulsive push again, or if they're going to start to sink this thing down. And continue in that downtrend. Ooh, there goes the Dow, guys. Liquidity. Pump it. Okay, so if you guys grab the Dow buys, move your stop loss to previous structure if you guys are looking like that. I think this thing's going to fly, guys. We'll see here if this dollar dumps, this thing is going to pop. Look at gold. That's volume to me, okay? That's a ton of volume to me right now showing on gold and on Dow. All right? Now it's getting ready. Goldie. Look at Dow here, okay? All right, here we go on gold. Let's see if we can get a nice little push. Okay, let's see here. And we'll adjust everything accordingly. Let's just see what's going to happen if that demand level is going to get respected. Okay, so you can see right off the bat, big sell-off. Okay, that's why I said wait for this candle. We're going to see now coming back for liquid. All right. Let it go. Let it play out, guys. You can see big rejection coming in. All right, the Dow's probably doing the same thing. All right, if it breaks here, all right, you can see what's starting to form. We have our 4-hour. Look at the volume. Okay, and you can move it. You can see here 18.4.5 is key level, and then look at 18.15.5 just above. Okay. So big attempt. Trend is still strong. Okay. So here it goes, right back into our liquid zone. If we break down here, guys, 1808, okay, near the daily and near the 4-hour is going to be our next level target here. Okay, but I'm only looking for it if price starts to get below 1812. Okay. That's the level structure that I'll be looking for if we can start to break. Okay, so 8:30 guys, let's see if there's anything coming in. Okay, we have trade balance here for US and CAD. All right, so this is guys, and then we have 10, and then we have 9:30. All right, it's going to be a jam-packed day. Okay, and we'll take a look. Look at Nasdaq still pushing, guys. The Dow still pushing. Guys, I'm going to take a small little attempt on a buy on the Dow again. Let's see this minute close here. Okay, about a minute and 42. Let's watch. It's very indecision right now, okay? A lot of indecision. 8:30 news is not red folder, okay? All right, 10 a.m. is going to be our main focus for that red folder news. Okay, guys, cheers. Hope everyone's having a good time here. Let's watch this 8:30 come in. Justin 2% with around 1% per day. That's a good walk away for time. Volume stepping in a little bit. Let's watch. Okay, so we'll leave news right out. Okay, gold. Okay, so here we go. Here's 8:30. Let's watch this candle here. You can see Nasdaq is picking up some volume. Dow is trying to too. Let's see if the follow through is going to come into play. Okay, guys, this is a big sell opportunity on gold. Okay, let's watch and see this bottom right here. All right, they're testing now that same level wick. And see what I mean? Nice key level support. Okay, and this is now getting respected. See the liquid zone? Okay, if we move this down, see to the left, guys. All right. So nothing even closed below. This is liquid right now. So I'm going to leave gold alone. It's in that key level spot. I like Dow a little bit better, guys. All right, I'm going to take a small buy on the Dow Jones. Listen, this is risky right now. News has not even come to play. If this thing breaks, okay, and gets resisted down, it's going to turn into an M pattern and sink. All right. It's going to turn into an M pattern and sink if we hold resistance here. All right. And the target for the sells, if we get back down 32.87. All right. So let's see here. I haven't taken it yet. I'm still going to watch that first 5-minute close. Okay. It looked promising. But you can see what's starting to happen. It's still that key level resistance. All right. And this is now turning into probably a potential triple top. Okay, let's see if gold is now pushing the same way. See gold. Okay, so gold is still getting rejected, guys. Okay, a lot of EMA pressure here still. 114. Okay, you can see 14.5. Nice resistance here. Okay, we're not going bullish right now, right? This trend is still bearish. Okay, opportunities look promising with the volume stepping in, maybe by news backing it, but you can still see the sellers are still right now in control. I don't have Bookmap up, to be honest with you. I should probably pull it up. Give me a sec. Again, I've learned Bookmap doesn't really do much during these times. Okay, it just actually creates more chaos for me personally. All right, especially with the manipulation happening. Like if you guys had Bookmap and you were watching yesterday, right, you would have saw a definite spoofing. Okay, rug pulls, a lot of different manipulated moves, and it was documented. If you don't, I don't have it saved, but YouTube guys, Bookmap, they stream live. Okay, I'm pretty sure they would have been streaming live during this. So if you guys want to see what happened yesterday, they will have the DOM, I believe, the heat map on and everything. Go take a look back from yesterday and then watch this news when it dropped and see how the market was set up, waiting for a nice prime. And then as soon as Powell spoke, the thing just tanked. All right. What's better, Bookmap or actual order flow? Bookmap does provide order flow. Okay, it doesn't have footprint charts or anything like that, but it definitely has a good amount of information to be able to get you what you need. All right. Yeah, Tyler, especially like today, like I don't really want to be looking at too many things. I have enough things to deal with right now in terms of what's on the chart, Zoom, YouTube, trades. Last thing you need is another thing to grab your attention. Okay, so let's take a peek here. Look at GU still ranging. Look at oil guys still really doing nothing here. Nasdaq rejected, Dow rejected too. Okay. Okay, let's measure that dollar here. They saved it, guys. Look at that. Gather that liquidity at the daily. Okay, at 105,625. All right, you can see here. Beautiful save. All right, holding above that 9 EMA. Take a look at the 15. All right. What do we have here, guys? You guys are smart. Oop. Okay, so nice. rejection coming in here. Guys, let's see how many what we got going on here. Ooh, guys, almost 300 likes. Like I said, 500 likes. We'll do a live stream for 5 hours on Friday. Our goal for today is 530. Yesterday we got like 470, I think it was. I got reminded by the admin to make sure to tell you guys. All right. So let's try to pump this up. Big rejection on the Dow still. Okay. You can see here, everything right now is just waiting for that speech, guys. Here's another test on gold. Okay. We are, showing good signs of support being built here. Look at the Dow still holding. Oh my god, these candles are hurting. This price action is hurting my head, guys. And it's all going to come down to, like I said, the next probably 45 minutes, near an hour, 40 minutes. Okay, so the Dow, if it pops, guys, like I said, we're coming back up. Let's see if we can get back maybe up to our 200 EMA if this thing wants to get a little bit of a push. I'm going to take a small little buy on that on Dow Jones, guys. Watch your spreads. Okay, they usually kick in. If you're not looking to do anything, just sit back and relax. Okay. Remember, still heavy downtrend. Okay. Small lot sizes is the way to go right now. Yesterday, I was in 200 pip drawdown from that gold buy right off the beginning. Okay. $1 hair. $1. Okay. My account, no problem. Okay. Made that back up when we had a nice little pullback for a continued sell by one standard. Okay. 20 pips in and out, done, almost break even. Okay, so remember, when you use small lot sizes, guys, I see people all the time who flip literally $100 accounts, $500 accounts, $1,000 accounts because they use small lot sizes, 0.01. 0.05, whatever it may be, all right? And they can understand how the market moves, add on pullbacks, different things like that. So that's what I suggest for everyone right now if we're just sitting back and watching, and use a demo account as well, okay? Look at NASDAQ still trying, and look at gold still trying as well. And look at oil here. Okay. Fucking gold. Pardon my French, guys. We need to break that level wick here from the left, okay? This is what's going to hold price down, right here. Okay? If not, that's going to turn into a nice little M pattern. Okay, price can come back down to almost BE. So remember on that. When to choose what lot size to use, that's a good point. All right, that's got to depend on your strategy and your account. All right, some people use like a martingale strategy. I love doing that. All right, and then you see me, right? Sometimes you'll see me do small, then large. My larger lot sizes are generally when I'm in a little bit of drawdown. Okay, and I can finally find the nice little entry to get in for a scalp. It's like you start with 0.05, okay, and then you go down maybe 20 pip, maybe 50, maybe 10, 15 pips, 0.1, your next level layer, and then when you come down maybe 0.25, and then you're looking at getting into drawdown, and when price goes up, you're at the highest level lot before we start to rise. Okay, so that way, right at the bottom, you're buying, and we're starting to ride high. All right. So choose your lot sizes based on your account, based on the structure, based on your analysis. This is not just I see a nice level here and I'm going to buy and sell. And I'm going to use the highest level lot size imaginable to see if I can hopefully get a move. No, that shouldn't be the way you're looking to do it. Okay? That is why a lot of people tend to fail, right? The one guy who was Lambo lotting, I think 100 lots on gold, I forget his name, Thon, on YouTube, he was like here every single day for like a week. I no longer see him anymore. All right. I don't know maybe if he's around or if maybe he just doesn't have an account, but it was always I'm crazy loss, right? Didn't take the time to find out a different level layering strategy or to even use lower lot sizes at indecision areas. Martingale, look it up. Okay, and look at gold here. This is why gold is hurting. I'm assuming it's all just like I said, I'm assuming it's all just maybe prop firm. So okay, Dow just dumped off here when we talked about that M pattern. Okay, let's see what we got going on. NASDAQ, key rejection too. Look at Dow, a little bit of a pull down. That level is serious. Okay, double wick rejection. All right. So since we started the call almost an hour ago, Okay, gold has made a nice little sell coming in, and we've ranged from 18.15 tap to 18.13. Okay, literally a $2 move. All right, and you can see what's happening here. This is like I'm pretty sure I jumped into the London call. All right, and it was pretty much around the same thing. All right, so when I'm telling you guys right off the bat, okay, don't trade until news. Don't trade until market open. All right, don't trade until you're ready. This is what I'm trying to tell you why. They're saving all of they're accumulating all of the volume, and they're getting ready to release it at the speech. Okay, he's testifying. So if this dipshit does what he did yesterday, Mr. Powell, we're going to be in the same level boat. Okay, and it's all going to fall. Right? I'm telling you, the next 10 days of this month are going to be so crucial for the stock market, crypto, everything. Okay, the next 10 days. And I said if gold continues bearish, 1750 could be your higher target time frame. Lufe. I grew my account from $50 account using steady 0.01 until 150. It is now at 700. I don't go beyond 0.1. There you go. Okay? Okay, Dow's coming right back to break even. Look at NASDAQ, big rejection, guys. Okay, double top, nice resistance coming right back down to our original entry that had the nice bullish volume stepping in at roughly 32844. And you can see the previous rejection. 32890, double wick, okay, and then pushing back down. All right, so remember we talked about if this doesn't hold true here, this is going to be an M pattern. All right, there's the neckline right down in here. So let's watch and see the next little bit. We're going to come into 9 a.m. NASDAQ, same thing. Okay, so gold is still right in that liquid zone, guys. All right, let's take a bird's eye view on the 15-minute. This is coming to our last one. Okay, this is the nice EMA rejection engulfing. And remember, I told you if we break here, coming back to the 4-hour, if we break above and start to hold at our 1815, we can start to rise. Okay, so even on the 15-minute, it's too consolidated. This is why you just sit back and relax. There's our selling area right in here. Indicators are 9 exponential moving average and 200 exponential moving average. The other buy and sell one you see is a coded one from SST, so not available. Okay, so this is just mid-range. Let's take a look at the scanner, guys. Let's just take a peek real quick. Ooh, juicy here. Okay, let's take a look at this. We have opportunities on gold. You can see on the 4-hour. Okay, it's looking like it's showing buying opportunities. Okay, so again, it's not to say you just press buy and sell right now. This is just showing us the condition, all right? So right now it's saying that gold could be over the next few hours, maybe having a short-term pullback. All right, you can see that GU is following the same thing. Okay, we have oil looking for buys from the 5, 30, and hourly, and then 15 and 5-minute on GJ. All right, and then the indices, they're just mid-range. Okay, you can see here in between the 50 all the way through. Okay, so that's why I'm saying just relax on what we're doing on the indices. You can see everything is starting to gain a little bit more momentum now coming into that new 9 a.m. time. Okay, and there goes gold. Right before the new hour, you can see gold is starting to drip. And we got a few minutes here, about a minute and 20. Let's go take a look at that dollar here, guys. Okay, Nasdaq still drip. Okay, Dow still dripping down. Okay, still holding that 9 EMA. And you can see what's going on in the dollar. Still holding strength on the dollar here. All right, so remember we talked about this. If you look on the higher time frame, what kind of pattern do you see, guys? You see that daily here holding? This is on the dollar, okay? The dollar, DXY. You can see downtrend, okay? And you're coming to a flat top bottom. All right, what does this kind of show or look like? Head and shoulder? It's not a head and shoulder. If you guys are saying head and shoulders, and like I had 3 people private message me asking for flags, it's sort of kind of looking like a flag. All right, but if you guys are saying head and shoulders, you know, I can tell that you haven't watched anything on the back end of the site. All right, so I would take it's a little bit of time, start reviewing that material. Okay, so we have a nice volumized dollar still holding true, probably coming back up and testing that 105.7. Okay, gold is still holding liquid. And then look at, we have oil. There we go. We're coming back down to 76, guys. I'll send you guys a screenshot after the stream here. I want to show you stuff on the website, and I don't want to do it and show YouTube. Okay. And we'll do it after the play out. Okay, and this is all going to come in at the new hourly, where we get more volume stepping in. Guys, so for right now, you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. About 45 minutes we have been building some solid support right on this hourly 1812.5, 1813 area. Okay. Now, again, whether we start to get more volume stepping in here on the book, I'm watching Bookmap right now, guys, and it's very congested. Like, it's very congested right now. Okay. So I wouldn't be doing anything, like I mentioned a couple times, until at least this 2-minute close and we can watch. All right. Ayush, I took one Dow buy coming in right before 8:15. That was the only trade. Okay, Carlos, what do we got here? That is for the doll hair. All right, got a little bit of a double rejection here. Members, can you guys see this on my screen or no? Okay, good. Yeah. So this is good, guys. I'm glad you guys are sending it. All right. I'm still holding my Dow buy. Okay, that's the only other one that I took Oosh. Okay, so you can see what's going on here. If you guys want to share some charts, please drop them in there. Just don't share any like dinosaur ones. I had one guy do that one time. It was actually hilarious, but it threw me off from the stream. Gold buyers sell now. No, there's your sell signal right up there. And right now you don't see anything, so we're just going to sit back and watch. Okay, so we're still holding. Ooh. Look at that hourly, guys. What is that, a brontosaurus? Draw a velociraptor at least. Alright. Okay, so new candle, guys. This is your hourly. Okay? New hourly open. Let's watch and see what's volume's going to come in here. Guys, this is the time where I wanted to be in. Okay? Like I knew coming into this, it's going to be a slow session. Literally, we watched paint dry. Okay? Had a nice little impulsive US 30 buy. I'm still holding that small buy. Okay? But again, 9:30 is the time, New York Open, and then Mr. Powell is the big speaker testifying, basically getting ready to either sink the market or save it. Okay. And then NFP Friday. Guys, today is like the most volatile week, I think, one time out of the whole year. We're going to have more down the road, obviously, if we have more issues in the market. But as of right now, I'm telling you, this is going to be volumized trading to the max. GBP JPY sell now. I don't know, guys. Let me know if you guys will like GJ sells. I haven't looked at it once, and I don't know if people notice that, but you guys let us know. Nasdaq here. Goldie's still trying to hold with another rejection wick. Okay, so here we go, just a couple minutes coming in. Let's take a look at these new 4-hour candles here, guys. Okay. So look at the volume that we're in. If we do break, like I said, we come back down to our daily 1808. All right, you can see what started to get a bigger move here coming in. All right, this on the 4-hour, just remember that. All right, I have no opportunities here, right, other than our 5-minute on gold. Get ready for our nice 4-hour DXY too. We're gonna pump. We all said that yesterday, guys. Remember the pump? The pump led to the Powell dump. The only thing we pumped yesterday was the likes. And there's the dollar, guys. We'll take a dump, guys. Oil's bleeding. Let's go. This is going to be juicy if we can break here. Watch the Dow push. Watch gold get ready. If they save it at the 200, guys, gold is going to break down. If they start to hold here, 1814.5. Watch the push at least to our 200 EMA. And if we get a nice little break of that 9 and 200, we can maybe push back up to our daily 1817. Members, you guys have gold in Discord, okay? So just remember, it's around the same level. Just watch, okay? This is what we have here from oil. Okay, this one's from Thomas. I like how it's in a nice liquid zone here. Remember that 76 level just tapped. Buyers stepping in. Thomas, was it at a higher? Is it a higher time frame, man? This looks like it's probably an hour or 4-hour. Can you guys see this one on oil? This helps me out too, and it's just basic. Good, 4-hour, okay? So take a look. Watch 76. This is a critical level here. All right, there goes Goldie. Starting to get another little push. Watch and see here. Do you use smart money concepts or price action strategy? Ooh, guys, that's a nice one to talk about. You guys, what do you guys think of that one? Do you use SMC? The 15-minute breakdown. Okay, so the oil sells were indicated at roughly midnight of today. Okay, and you can see nice sell trend has been there since. All right, so I want to see 76. 76 is going to be that buy area, I would assume, on oil. So we'll mark a opportunity here and see if we can get past. Now remember, look on the higher time frames, Thomas. Thank you. This is what we're dealing with right now. If we break below 76, no problem getting back to 75 today. Tell him, Shahab. Okay, so first 5 minutes has gone past. We can now check out everything. We got an alarm set here. Let's watch and see 76. Okay, there goes gold. Nice rejection level again. Okay. I haven't said press buy or sell on gold at all. Okay, I know that's what you guys are waiting for, but I haven't done it. All right, the only thing I'm holding is a little bit of a drawdown move on the Dow. That's it. I'm waiting for this 9:30, and then I'm waiting for 10 a.m. All right, right before this is not the time. This is where they bait you in. So I'm watching for another tap into our hourly demand liquidity area, and we're going to see how price is going to move. Dow rejection, US 30 rejection. Okay, look at there we go. See? There it is. And this is going to give the dollar some volume if it starts to really want to push now, okay? Break above the 9 EMA, and they can start to walk if this is going to be a volume demand area on the dollar. Bearish, bearish. Okay, everything is selling off here. Look at gold coming right back down. Okay, so let's see if oil is still breaking down. Still. Okay, so there is an oil opportunity just there. I'm waiting for them to maybe get to 76. Okay, that just popped up when we're live. So watch for 76 level on oil. It's still bearish, guys. Remember on the higher time frame. Okay, I want to see them tap that 7.6 level before anything. If they start to hold here, 76.5 will be the break. Okay, I'll mention that right there. That's what I'm looking for. And if this thing does print right now, then let it go. GU printing, look at still gold here. Gold is waiting for that speech, guys. So I'm gonna leave gold alone for now. Okay, we're just gonna watch the indices here. Still holding. Dow right back at break even. Okay, still holding roughly that 32844 area. Nice engulfing candlestick breaking through. So we're gonna see if this is gonna be a demise of the Dow. Dollar here. MT4 is frozen, guys. If it is, then that's maybe telling you something. Just sit back and wait. So right now all screens are flickering blue. All right, if you go, not now, they're flickering in and out. Okay guys, this is going to be our 15-minute. All right, I'm going to leave gold on here. Actually, maybe we'll leave oil. Let's see if that thing's going to play out actually. Watch. Okay, nice big wick, 76.5. So you can see we had a nice little area for buy here. Got out of the condition. I needed to see it break down in here for that level to go off. If not, this thing's going to hold right here, 76.5, at least up to our 9 EMA. Okay, so I'm going to leave oil on here. We're going to see how this is going to move. And give me 2 seconds, guys. I will be right back. I just have to actually go to the washroom. I'm a normal human being. Just be 2 seconds, guys, and I'll be right back. All right. So we're probably going to get an alert if if oil wants to break down again, and I see a little bit of buy here. Wait until maybe 76 before anything. Okay, because I can see price even dropping below. You can see maybe get rejected here. Come to this level, consolidate whole number, drop below, and then we're going to see if this is the rise we're going to get. Okay. In any trade, when you guys get levels, all right, unless they are a limit order, so a limit order is coming up to this 76.5, tapping it and dropping, a stop order is pushing right through, okay? So essentially, I would be looking for a limit order at 76. All right. So 2 seconds, guys. Let's just watch and see how this is going to move. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so oil is pulling back. Nothing's still going. Guys, how many? I'm seeing there's a lot of MT4s freezing. Is you guys MT4 freezing? GU guys, look at gold still range. NAS still holding. The Dow is still holding. Mine is not frozen. Okay, just FYI. But there's a lot of people who are saying that theirs is frozen. Okay. So there's the test on that dollar again. Yours is frozen, guys. Take screenshots, send it to your broker. All right, that's best thing I could suggest. And if it's frozen, maybe it's a good thing. You know? Maybe it'll hold all these trigger finger happy people. Maybe it'll hold them down. Tanya, really? MT5 on mobile, always frozen. Make sure you contact your brokers, guys. Okay, gold is starting to hold here, guys. I still don't want to mess with gold, but you can see they're still holding that zone. MT4 on, oh really, guys? Okay. Okay, so another rejection, guys. I'm running at almost BE. Right now it's come close. It's like 4 pips, 5 pips in drawdown now. So if you guys did get it with me, you know, if you don't feel comfortable, we're coming to market open. All right, just sit back, relax, close if you're not interested in holding this. Okay, it is showing bearish flag pattern on the higher time frames. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, 1817.5 is looking for gold. Nice opportunity here. Let's see if gold is going to start to play out. I'm not going to take gold, okay? I just want to see if we're going to start to maybe get some of this move, which is just tapping that 209 EMA together. You can see we're right approaching a sell level here. I'm just putting this on to see if gold is actually going to take place. And if not, like I said, we're going to reject, come back down. Let's just watch. Okay, look at GU rejection. Oh, guys, get oil. 76.5. Higher time frame, still downtrend. GU gold is still hovering. Okay, there we go. You can see a little bit of impulsiveness around here. I'm just going to remove this just because it's coming to. You guys know where we're looking for potentially. Guys, even Blueberry Markets is having issues. They're a very reputable broker, and if they're having some delays, there's an issue. Okay. See Waterfly? Take your time, man. Remember, this is not a sprint, all right? It's more of a marathon, all right? I know scalping, we're looking to get in and out, right? Like that trade ran quick, impulsive move, close. But again, you still want to try to catch the trend, guys, right? You still want to try to catch the trend and hold. So just remember, take it slow. This is not, there's no need to rush, guys, unless, you know, you're in that situation where you need some funds. But in that case, you might want to, I'll be honest with you, you might want to go look at getting a job. All right, it's tough, man. This stuff takes a long time. Okay, oil's dropping again. Let's go take a look at oil. Gold, it's testing. Susan. Susan, was that you who got in contact with us this morning? You were taken care of, right? Yeah, watch oil, guys. It looks like a nice setup. 76.5, 76.25, 76 all look like nice levels here. But again, remember the volume is still very strong. Okay. Okay, good, Susan. I'm happy. That's good. Okay, DAX is coming to a key level here. Everything Goldie, another rejection here. Look at this, guys. Another clean resistance. And then NASDAQ rejecting too. And then look at the Dow, another clean rejection. So if you guys closed out, I saw like 2 people, and then one person messaged me privately, said they closed out around break even. It's good. You guys understand that it's not worth, even if you lose maybe 5 pips, okay, it's not worth holding something like this coming into, this market open, right? Because you don't know what's going to happen. This could be a complete dud. They could be liquidating stop losses before our bigger move, right? Our main goal is just to focus on order flow, which is just, where the big fish are sitting waiting to pull the orders. So we want to follow them, okay? And right now, it's showing that on the lower time frame, nice little scalp buys were beautiful, but higher time frame, it's very bearish, okay? So let's just move this over for a sec. We're going to watch this new candle open, all right? This is going to be our last 5 minutes, okay, before we have the New York stock open, all right? Guys, did anyone work out this morning? I was at the gym at 4 again. I did not want to get up today. Gold is so messy. I know, guys. That's why I'm trying to tell you to stay away from it. Stay away from it until the speech in the red folder. That's my suggestion to you. Okay, so here we go, guys. We're just going to sit and watch the Dow, all right? Remember, bearish momentum is still very higher time frame. Lower time frame is showing a little bit of scalping opportunities here. The weight is that on gold. It depends on the account. But again, it's tough. I don't know entries, and it's not something I can do right now, but you have to justify whether or not you can hold that. It's a lot. It is. Right? So it's tough because we have NFP on Friday too, right? Gen X, absolutely. That's why we started the workout Discord channel. NFP will be wiki, but that'll be the statement to end off the week for sure. All right, guys. So about 3 minutes left here. You can see bearish momentum is still pretty evident. All right, you can see NASDAQ is getting rejected too. Gold is just a hot mess waiting for news. Okay. And you can see they're trying to liquidate and save the dollar here. Okay, remember we talked about the support. This is still a volume candle here, but we're gathering a lot of volume and liquidity right around that 105,600. Okay. So a few minutes left. All right, let's sit back and watch the Dow. All right, we're going to see what kind of movements we're going to get. See what kind of price action is going to come out of this at the beginning 5 minute. let's just write down our rules, and hopefully everyone follows this. Okay, if new, do not trade 9:30. You have red folder, and red folder just means high impact news, guys. Okay. Use small lot sizes if you are trading. Okay, if you are, use small lot sizes. You guys understand. Penny lots are not going to have anything detrimental to the account. Dollar lots won't be either, depending on your account. Okay, but if you're not wanting to do that, okay, you just sit back and watch. And I can't say it any better, guys. If you want the magic pill, right? That's what it is. It's called waiting for news to happen and price starting to move. I'm thinking we might impulsively get Dow maybe up to that 200 EMA, but we'll watch and see. It's still very bearish. Gold breaking down. GU. Look at oil still holding. German 30 breaking down. Okay, 15,620. And then we have the Dow. Okay, so we'll erase this. Now let's watch and see here. "15 seconds, guys. YOLO on gold. I don't suggest YOLO in gold. Okay, a lot of indecision here. All right, Nasdaq is pimping and popping. Gold is trying to do the same thing. Let's see if the Dow is going to hold. Guys, 100 more likes and we'll do it. Oh, DXY just tapped here. Let's see which way. Oh, we dumped, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. These markets need to fucking pump, guys. Pump it. Pump. It's going to get rejected here. Watch. There it goes. Sellers are there. I'm watching Bookmap right now. Oh, a little bit of a spoof just happened there. They pulled the rug. Let's see if they're going to have another test on that level. Oil is dropping. Everything is dropping, guys, from that impulsive push. Let's see here. Oh, guys, look at the dollar. Oh, shit. She gone. Oh, guys, you got to yell at me, man. Look at gold. It tapped the same level. Oh, shit. We should have traded gold. Oh, my God. Look at that. Daily. Members, you guys should be running at least 35 pips in the Discord buys. All right? Let's see if now the Dow is going to play off. What a rocket, guys. Oh, my goodness. Dow, just pump for me, baby. Ooh, pump it, pump it. The weed, there you go, buddy. Let's see if it's going to hold. Just remember something, okay? This is still just the first 5-minute candle. But remember that, I want to be saying this with all due respect and pardon my français, that piece of shit Powell, okay, could do anything he wanted to do. Remember that. And see, first 5 minute. Nice rejections coming in. All right, let's see gold here too. Look at NASDAQ. Ooh, 12,200. Look at this, okay, coming to our previous key level sells. My sell level was right up in here, guys, right near that 200. Let's just see. Look at that, got NASDAQ, guys. Look at this on the Dow here. Oh, look at this. I told you. They are liquidating everyone. That could be a stop loss rate before the continued sell. Ooh, baby, she could drop here hard. 33900. 32900, sorry. If it drops below here, guys, that's a selling opportunity, which is going to break some lows. We'll watch. Why is oil falling? So take a look. Look at NASDAQ here. Oof. Goldie. There goes oil. Okay, new candle coming in. Okay, GU, look at gold closing below. NASDAQ dripping. There goes the Dow. It's a battle here, guys. But that is how many rejections coming in here. You got to think of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, a bunch of resistance levels. So we know that right now, currently, there's sellers in here. Okay, if we continue to test that, then 200 EMA is going to act as the resistance. Okay, there goes NASDAQ. There goes the drip. Okay, so first 5 minutes, close in decision. Look what we got going now. All right. Look at they keep smashing this down, guys. There's a lot of sellers here. Look at Goldie trying to make a move too. Remember, you guys should have had NASDAQ sells. We'll watch and see if those are going to play out. And there goes oil starting to hold. NASDAQ dropping. Get ready for that sell on the dirty, guys. If it drops below, we're still in that range. Okay. Okay, I like the selling opportunity if we tap in here one more time. Okay, 32900 would be a nice little level for me. All right. So let's just see if we can get that push. Let's see how the DAX, oh, there goes it. German 30 starting to break. Remember, it's 12,200. That was the Discord sell. Okay, you can see it happening right in here. Okay, I'll help you monitor this one. All right, right around. Okay, so still holding nice volume and liquidity around 12,160. If you guys are in on this, watch for a retest of that 200 EMA, and if it is, it's going to come back and we can start to fall even further. Okay, so let's watch and see. Okay, there goes the Dow. Okay, I have 3275 would be a TP if we do break down and go bearish. Okay. Let's see what structure we're going to start to show. This area right in here was previous level volume. You can see by the indicator as stated. Okay, so you're going to get some kind of a push no matter what. All right. There's volume there stepping in. Watch that close below that 9. If we do break down, okay, that's going to be the level for the sells. All right. Let's take a look at everything else here. NASDAQ dripping down. Okay, so watch the wick fill here. Remember, we had 1822, 1820 level, okay, for gold if it goes bullish. We're not at any oil right now, guys. We're at 76. That's the only time I'm looking at it right now, okay? Okay, and you can see what's starting to form here. Nice little volume like we talked about. Okay, guys, so here, take a look at this. It's 9:45 coming in. This is 10 minutes until our high impact news, okay? I'm telling you right now, this is where your account will be blown if you're not smart. Okay? Two news fold. Jolts is insane in itself, all right? And I am trying to make you think about this. That's why I'm trying to be so theatrical about it, all right? You need to understand that if you don't want to be a part of this selling potential volume or buying volume, then I think you should come back at around 10 a.m., watch and see what happens, and then we look to trade post news. All right? I think that would be the best thing for everyone to do. And guys, You can see here that gold is still trying to fill. All right, and this is good for learning too. Okay, like I did show you guys on here, looking for these long positions. All right, you can see opportunities starting to form. We had right near the 200. Okay, but you got to take a peek at this. All right, how many times in here were we building some support? Okay, we had a buy-in Discord that is running about 30 pips. Okay, it was from 1813.5. Okay, so you can see we built support here, multiple taps, and now we're just filling that previous level wick. Okay, and if this thing breaks, guys, like I said, we're coming to 1820 with a lot of volume. Gold is following the Dow right now. Look at the gold, okay, and look at Dow. Little volume on both. There's NASDAQ. Remember we talked about kissing that 200 EMA and then bleeding. Okay. That's exactly what happened. 200 dropping. We're coming back down to at least 12135. Okay, and that was sitting there since the beginning of the stream. Right? Did anyone actually grab that NASDAQ dump? It's pretty solid. You can see getting ready for this Dow trade coming in. Okay, look at gold, guys. I turned off the sound to talk to the group, guys, so that's the only reason why you're not hearing any sound. Okay, GU is printing. Look at oil still holding, guys. And all indices are getting pushed back down. So gold buy good? No, I wouldn't be buying gold right now. And you're coming to about 10 minutes until, you know, that speaking event. Okay, and then you can see 1814.5. That would be the opportunity here. Okay, look at the Dow here still breaking down. Okay, so nice and strong here. All right, still holding, guys. That level is looking pretty good. Give it some time. We got 10 minutes until Mr. Powell is speaking. All right, that dollar tanked, guys. Nice downtrend. You can see rejection still riding. Nasdaq is printing. There goes gold. Okay, let's watch. Now, generally when this happens, guys, this is the big prime up before the dump. Okay, so they get everyone excited. If Papa Powell gives us any nice clue that this thing is going to go bullish, you are going to see institutions step in here like no other. You're going to see gold fucking fly. Okay, and if it's negative, this shit is going to fall hard to at least 1800. Okay, and they see Nasdaq dumping. 2 taps off the wick, and the 9 EMA still selling. All right, we got about 7 minutes left. Let's go take a look, actually. I'm noticing someone asking me about CAD. Good, oil still priming. That 76.5 was the best, guys. Better level than 76. We did not tap. I'm going to watch gold, guys, for sure. Okay. Where is US CAD? All right. So you can see nice big sell-off holding that 200 EMA. Okay, so very similar to the dollar. Uh-oh. Remember we talked about the pump before the potential dump, guys? Look at what's priming up here. Let's check out the Dow here. Nasdaq still dripping. Okay, remember we talked about higher time frame indices bearish? All right, let's see the Dow here, what we're starting to get into play. Okay, guys, this is our last 5 minutes. All right, this will be waited for. All right, can Papa Pawlinski continue the sell-off in the market and be one of the most hated men in the world? But again, if you're sellers, you're loved. Okay? Or is he going to be saving the market? I don't know. We'll see. Jolts is going to be the craziest, guys. And then when this guy testifies, this is all going to be. I'm telling you, if you're in any trades, whether it's fucking profit or drawdown, it's up to you, okay? It's up to you. But when this news drops, I'm telling you, it's going to be volatile. All right? It's up to you whether you want to deal with it or not. You know, there's people who say news is just manipulation to get people shaked out of the market. Who knows? Okay? All I care about is what's in front of me. All right? That's it. It's the only thing I care about. And look at the dollar here, okay? This made a nice little death cross. If we dump, guys, we can probably fill. We're close to 105. Where is it? 105 is all the way down here. Like, that's a far range to get to after we just had that push. Okay, 105.5 we're currently being held at. And there's a long bottom wick right at that 105.250. That would be our next leg down for me. All right. Let's see if we can get some tap here. And if not, this is going to be the biggest push right back to 106 that you're ever going to see. Would you guys like to watch the Dow or would you like to watch gold? You guys let me know. It doesn't really matter to me. Okay, we got, okay, down to, it's about even Steven mix. Okay, we'll stay on the Dow, guys. Gold is still printing here. You can see Nasdaq is starting to ride. Look at gold, 1825, 1830 if we're still printing. Okay, we'll watch the Dow. Here it comes, guys. Mr. Pawlinski. A minute and 24. Okay, get ready to roll, guys. Just under a minute. Ignore everything like this, okay? That key level buy was at 32825. All right, ignore everything. We're just going to watch. Again, let's see, gold, right at that highs. We're right at 1820, 1822. 1820 was key level support, previous to when we were trading. Okay, so this is going to act as some resistance. Let's watch. This guy, man, look at this, see? And the market tank continues, guys. There it goes. Nasdaq is dripping. Okay, big sells. Told you guys watch the 209 EMA. Look at gold. I told you guys, he's a horrible guy if he didn't secure. All right. Let's watch and see here what's going to happen. The DXY is not dropping. The DXY is pumping right now. This is enough volume to get to 105,800. Okay, 105,900. Watch. I told you this guy's going to try to save the market. We're going to see if it's going to actually play out. And remember what we had here on the hourly. I just want to see the dollar. Look at the strength. Okay, remember. This thing is ready to prime. Okay, this thing is going to fly. Let's go take a look at anything that's been happening here. Okay, so positive for the jolts. Okay, Mr. Powell, I can't see if he's actually speaking yet. Ian, you're usually the one who updates us, but I'm going by what this is happening right now. Okay, and you can see that that's why the dollar is flying as of right now. Let's go take a look at the 15 minutes. He's not speaking yet? Okay. So when he speaks, this thing is probably going to then have the continuation. Okay, there it goes. He didn't take his seat yet. He will take his seat. I'm telling you, he's ready to take some money from us. That's what he's ready to do. He's ready to load up on his steadily increasing net worth that goes up every single year. Look it up. Look at when he started the coronavirus and look up his salary now. And you tell me if that's not stacking orders. Okay, so look, this is the first 5 minutes. The new 5 minutes is going to be the nice continuation. The man is doing his job. Absolutely he is. There goes 76.5, guys. Nice. Beautiful opportunity. Whew. All right, new candles, guys. New candles open. This is the first 5. Okay, let's see it. Look at the Dow. Remember the same level here. Let's see if it's going to start to follow suit or if that's the rejection level. Okay. And look at the DXY here. Okay, big impulsive move. And you can see how we're starting to close now. New candle opened, closing below that daily. All right. And you can see here, nice big sell. Now they're picking up a wick. We tap 3.2. That was around 3.2700. Okay, there goes gold coming back down. All right. Starting now. Okay. We got some opening statements coming in, guys. All right. First news, stop loss, raid, liquidating the market right now. And let's watch and see. There goes the dollar. Guys, let me know when he speaks, okay? I don't have access to it at this current time. Opening, okay. So we'll give it some time here, guys. Remember, he's testifying. He hasn't spoke yet, all right? That was just your jolts news, all right? We're going to stay till about 10:30 today, guys. I really want to see what's going to happen, all right? So we're going to chill for about 25 more minutes. All right, guys, let's try to smash at least 67 more likes. That's what our admin says. We're trying to get a goal of 530, all right? That's generally 500 likes per for the past streams, all right? And then we'll be doing a live NFP marathon this Friday, okay? I am not watching him personally, but we have admins and moderators who are watching them in the group, okay? And then there goes the gold waterfall. So remember I told you 1820, all right, was a previous level once buying opportunities. And let's go look at this at the higher time frame. Let's put on 1820 so we can all be aware of this. Dave, why didn't you sell or buy? Honestly, did not want to be a part of that big swing. I used to do it, been burned a few times. I know when to chill out and relax. This looks like a head and shoulder pattern. Again, look at the volume on gold. Okay, so look at once previous level on, say, the 15-minute. Okay, this is right over here. Let's look to the left. 1820. Okay, you can see previous level resistance. Okay, previous level support. Nice breakthrough with volume. And we can still go to the left. All right, nice bounce support level. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see what's going on around 1820. So as of late, our last target tap for what we go back is February 17th. Okay. Let's see what we got here, guys. 1820, it's at that level again. And take a look what we have on the Dow. Guys, look at this here. Watch us come back up. All right, same level. He's coming to a teen attack, big pump here. Look at gold, guys. I think we're going to get a little bit bearish here, guys. Personally, we're going to have to watch and see the first 15-minute candle. Let's see what's going on in the Dow. Okay, too much indecision right now. Has he said anything yet? I think we can fill that wick again. Nothing. Okay. Okay, look at gold here. Okay, let's take a look at this 15-minute coming in. So 1822, 1823 level, you can see as the top wick. Okay. And look to the left, 1820, nice resistance level here, yet again. And take a look at the Dow. Okay, we're past news. We can erase this now. Little divergence on the Dow. Okay, long wicks here. You can see on the 5. He's about to talk. Okay, guys, we're about to get into some a big thunderstorm of effect. That's going to be at 10:15. BTC's pumping. That's the best news I've heard all day, guys. That's the best thing I've seen all day, besides the original Dow buy. Watch 22,300. Probably going to get some rejection. You love my patience, guys. Hey, man, listen. If you guys want to jump in, guys, go ahead. You know? But again, I would rather quality over quantity. You guys know what Russian roulette is? When this guy speaks, it's like roulette. Load the gun. You know what I mean? It's tough when you're dealing with something like this. And to be honest with you, what is the point if you even make 20, 30 pips on like a lucky gamble, right? He's about to open his mouth. Let's watch. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours, guys. And watch dollar pump. This guy's about to save it. Unless it gets rejected at 105.66. Get ready to short the market, guys. Okay, another rejection, 1820. Okay. Watch and see what's going to happen at that 9 EMA. Let's watch and move that up. Okay, so the big push. This is all the volume they need to be able to push this right back down. Okay, this is our first 15-minute candle of the hourly. You can see everything is still hawkish. Okay. And if we dump, guys, we're starting to fall right back down and starting to fill our wick. Okay, guys, on the higher time frame, this thing is just looking to fill wicks. All right, he's going to speak now. Okay, so we'll sit back and watch. The man of the hour is speaking. Okay, so let's watch and see. Guys, I quickly got to just do one thing. I got to go let the dog out. I'll be right back. Okay, just watch, play price. You know what it is. You can watch. I'll leave on gold. Okay, I'll be literally 2 seconds. Look for the short below 1818, right around in here, right back down to that 1816 level. Okay, let's watch. We're about to probably get into big sells, guys. He's going to tank the market and pump the dollar. So don't be surprised if it happens. Okay, guys. Cool. All right, still dumping. Let's see the Dow here. NASDAQ is getting ready to bleed. All right, there goes. Look at oil coming right back down. All right, as I said, 76. I don't like 76.5. We are still breaking down, guys. Look at the Dow. There it goes. All right. Filling the wick. Saying the same things as yesterday, well then that should be the same kind of results. Then you should see the market sell off. Unless there's some kind of a catalyst that he says, this dude is dumping the market. I don't think we're reversing, guys. I think this thing's going to continue to dump. And we're just getting down there now. Okay. And this thing's going to bleed even further. Yeah, there we go. And look at the dollar, guys. Filling that big wick. Okay, I'm telling you, this is the pump you can get, and I guarantee it, we can get back to 105, 900, 106. I'm telling you, this guy's going to pump the dollar. Like, I really believe that he's going to rocket this thing. Edward, inflation still high from yesterday. That's good. And let's see the dump. Okay. Of course the big tech companies, they make the most in the world. They got to bleed them somehow to repay everything that Corona did and all the money they print. Still dropping, guys. All right. Bearish flag pattern. Remember on the higher time frame we talked about, short-term pattern on lower, big higher time frame sell pattern. Okay? Been saying this since the beginning of the stream. Okay? And we're now at a key level here. Look at where they got rejected. All of that previous level support. Okay? So this is where they did have a nice little pump. All right, you can see this was back on March the 2nd. The nice big inflated move. Okay, look at this. We're right back where we started. If that doesn't spell head and shoulders to you, then I don't know what does. Okay, so let's watch and see now how this is going to react at this level. 10:30 is coming in. I want to stay till about 10:30. I would like to see this news. All right. I want to see if Big Daddy is going to come in. Ooh. And give us some kind of a opportunity here. Look at gold, okay? Oh, there goes the dollar, guys. Shit. I'm wrong. Let's get ready to get buying here. Let's see if it's going to happen. They filled that wick and then went. Let's see how it's going to react right around this level right here. Okay. If we get rejected, we're going to come right back down. So we've got to see a moment close. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Let's see. My MT4 is frozen, guys. Fuck. Yeah, I'm still frozen, guys. Let's just see how this plays out. I can't execute on this right now. Let's see if it starts to kick in. Everything's starting to flip a little bit bullish. Okay, just kicked in, guys. Let's see the Dow here. You can see big push. Okay. And you can see the big drop. New candle opening up, testing that 9. All right. If you didn't get it, just watch. Still getting some resistance here. Let's see NASDAQ right back up. Oh, gold, guys. Wow, gold printed. Oh, my goodness. Let's go. 1823. Okay. Very, very, very big move. And let's see what we got going on in the Dow here. And this is going to be 5 minutes before that new half-hour candle. Okay, this is generally when the speaking events are done. You start to see some bigger movement. All right, so let's see if this thing's going to continue. All right, still a lot of volume here stepping in, a lot of indecision, and you can see what's starting to happen. The best opportunity for the buying, guys, was right down in here. Okay, that was the cleanest opportunity for buying, and even still a little bit lower below, but right now you can still see that it's just hovering around in and out of profit. If you guys didn't take it, you can see that now we're getting a cool off here. I bet you the dollar is starting to hold. Yeah, there it is. Guys, if you're in on this and you don't, and you're happy, if you guys did get some buys, like look to secure, you can see this is a big indecision candle here. All right, look at NASDAQ, very strong. Okay, look at gold, we're just tapping 1823. And you can see what's starting to happen here on the 15-minute. That was the previous level wick rejection coming in on yesterday at around 12:15. Okay. Asking with digital assets, so he's still talking. All right. Well, there goes BTC, guys. I guarantee it. If that thing, yeah, there it opens up bearish here, holding retest. Oh yeah. As soon as crypto gets talking, you're gonna see the markets get shook. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at that dollar and SPY here. There it is, guys. So the dollar, remember we talked about finding some support. Okay, and this is our last minute, guys, before that new half-hour candle open, and this is the big time that price starts to happen. Okay, so he's saving it. Dollar's still showing strength here, and it's alive. 105,500 is the retest. 20 seconds. I think it's best, guys, if we just watch what is said probably at around maybe 11. Let the news digest. You can still see the strength is holding in. As soon as he talks about digital assets, this is when the market started to move yesterday. Okay, there they go, saving it right at that 1055. See, right at the half hour, they saved the market. All right. And watch and see the next little bit. Let's check out gold. There goes gold. Okay, oil big move, 76.5, still holding strong. Okay, I didn't think that was a good re-entry, but you can see it still had nice movements here. If this thing's going to save, you're going to see gold start to rise too. Oh shit, guys, we're pumping. Let's see what happened to the Dow. Nasdaq still held. Dow Jones still holding. Everything is riding, guys. Okay. I'm running in and out of profit on the Dow right now. Okay. Personally. So I don't like where I'm at. All right. I'm about 3 pips. Yep. 3 pips down, in and out. I'm going to hold probably for maybe 15 minutes. We're going to see how this is going to move. It's smaller lot sizes, but it does still look like it's going to maybe kind of reject and sell back down to our bottom wicks there. Okay. The dollar's still strong. Okay. You can see here its strength is still getting held around that 1055. All right. So guys, I want you to be cautious of trading, and we actually have to bounce out of here. It's 10:30. We have another session going on in the back end of the site. So I've been messaged. I got to get out of here, guys. Give me a second. Let me quickly go over the boot camp. All right. Next week, guys. All right. That's when it's happening. Literally, I think there's about 4 spots left. Okay, and then once this is done, it's done. All right. You can see that Tuesday the 14th, 15th, and 16th. All right, it's just the basic of FX. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please go to the website stocksnipertrading.com and /bootcamp. You can click right on the page. It'll take you for any information you need to be. Okay. So remember, next 14th, 15th, and 16th, we're going to play it from 12 to 3. All right. And then we're going to play it again probably from 6 to 9. Okay. So, guys, it gets 3 months subscription included. Okay. So live sessions, trade ideas. All right. Workshops. We need to get 530 likes. Guys, on this stream, let's try to pump up 530 likes here. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. All right. If that's the case, we'll do a marathon on Friday. I mentioned that all throughout the stream. And my Dow is running, guys. So this is beautiful here. Let's see if this is going to continue. All right. So getting started, pips, lots, spreads. All right. Indices, pairs, commodities. All right. We basically dive into, how to start, what to look for a good broker. All right. So this will have all the information there. If you guys have any questions, send us an email. Okay. But if you do join, you can see the sessions that we're getting. Guys, I'm running hard on that Dow buy, by the way. Okay. You can see for New York, for London's, we're merging the bonus NFPs from 6 to 10, about 4 or 5 hours, and we're doing it in New York. All right. 5 post New Yorks. Okay. And then you can see we have 4 post webinars coming into play. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, please ask us in this area right in here. Okay. Give us 12 to 24 hours to get back in touch with you. All right. So, guys, I stayed an extra 5 minutes. All right. That's nice. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to explain the bootcamp because there's a few people that actually DXY just dropped, guys. Oh my goodness. So big momentum here. The Dow is still holding. All right, I'm running 15 pips on that buy. So I'm still going to hold this for a little bit longer, and I'm going to maybe look at looking out at 11. We'll see how price action is going to move. Okay, NASDAQ is right at our previous sell level. All right, and you can see gold is still rising. All right, so guys, if you guys grab any of these Dow buys or anything like that, send us a message on Instagram. All right, we'll be able to post for you, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so if not, we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel, guys. I got to bounce out of here. We have another session ready to go. Okay. All right, guys, take it easy. This is news trading at its finest. All right. And we will recap everything tomorrow and get ready for a new day of trading. But I am still holding those buys. All right, so let's watch. Have a good day, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning, welcome to another live session of Stocksnipertrading. My name is Dave, guys, my partner is Ron. Let's get down to business here, guys.
In on US 30, sell, okay? I'm jumping in. Guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Yes, we caught it. Hey, guys, 200 pips, please, secure.
Trading with a perfect broker is the key, which takes you one step ahead. At AAAFX, we have you covered. The future of Forex is zero commission. Here at AAAFX, we offer ultra-low commission, which starts at 99 cents per lot. Our accounts spreads start from 0.0 pips. With account leverage up to 500x, and can have a minimum deposit of $100, with an additional 100% deposit bonus, regulated by HCMC Greece, compliant with ESMA. EU, regulated with FSCA, South Africa. Nothing to lose, but something to gain. Trade with the world's most liquid market provider, AFX, recommended by Stocksnipertrading. To get started, use the affiliate link below.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.